How to DM in character AI. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to DM a character in character AI. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do first is just go to the character AI website, which is just character.ai. So just input that in the search bar and then you'll be redirected here. And then after that, what you want to do is to simply just log in your account or sign up if you don't have one. And then after that, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So in here, you can chat with any character that you like. So in here, you can chat real life people like Nicki Minaj. So this is just a bot. You can also chat with anime characters and some game characters. But if you want to chat with a specific character, you can search for a character right here in the search bar. So for example, I want to chat with Eren Yeager. So I'll just search that up, click on search, and then there you go. So there are many of choices that you can choose in chatting. So for example, I'll chat the first one right here. So to chat with a character, just click on their profile. So just click on that. And then after that, you'll be redirected into the chat room. And then from here, you can now start chatting with the character. So for example, I will just say hi. And then there you go. Eren Yeager replied to my message. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to DM in character AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.